Hey guys, hope you're all doing well and keeping safe in this time. So in this video, I'll be showing you a homemade remedy that my family has been using for generations to relieve the symptoms of flu, and recently I have been using it as a weight loss remedy. So you'll need some oranges, lemons, ginger, and some apple cider vinegar. The white overproof rum is just what I use to massage my face and body after. White overproof rum has been known for years to relieve fever, joint pain, arthritis pain, and it also prevents pneumonia. Now just take one orange, one lemon, and a piece of ginger and make sure to wash properly, as we will be using just the skins for this remedy. Wash your onion also. So if your orange or your lemon isn't as large as these, you can use 2 of each. So I am using this pot. It's deep, but it's very good for steam. So first, I will chop my onions, and the purpose for the onions is that it will help to kill the bacteria in your cells and also help to create new cells. Now slice up your ginger, and please, for your own safety, use a chopping board. Cutting the ginger in my hands is just an old habit. So ginger is commonly used for fighting flus and colds, and it helps to reduce the feeling of nausea. Now just peel the skin off the orange. Peel off as much skin as you can. And oranges are commonly used as a source of vitamin C, but in this case, inhaling the steam from the orange skin will help to clear the airways and also help you to breathe better. Now onto the lemon. Do the same, just peel off the skin of the lemon. So lemon is also a great source of vitamin C and is also commonly used to fight colds and flus. And in this case, it will reduce the dryness in the throat, which may cause symptoms like fever and high blood pressure, which isn't a good sign. I will now put about 2 to 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. A lot of people that I know don't like the smell of apple cider vinegar, but for me, it's very essential because it has a big contribution to your nerves and muscles. So for me, it works wonders. So this is all my ingredients in the pot. I have now lit the fire underneath, and I will now pour a full kettle of boiled water onto this, not only to speed up the process, but to also show you guys how much water I'm adding to this much ingredients. Now cover the pot and leave to boil for at least 20 minutes, just to make sure that all your ingredients are coming out in full flavor. Now just look at that steam. It's coming out strong and powerful. Now it's only been 20 minutes and look at that. Now to inhale the steam, you will need to put your face over the pot like this and inhale for up to 15 to 20 minutes. And make sure you keep the fire lit on a low flame just to keep the steam going. To get a more effective result, Place a towel over your head to direct the steam into your face. And you'll need to do this for at least 15 to 20 minutes, up to 3 times a day. If symptoms persist, continue using every time you feel a dry cough. You can also consume this remedy once it has cooled down. You can drink this remedy also for weight loss. If you are 18 years or over, use the white overproof rum to massage face after inhaling steam. You can also use rum to massage body, as white overproof rum has been proven to reduce pain, fever, and it also unclogs the sinuses. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this works as well for you as it did for me. Bye guys, take care, follow procedures, and stay safe.